What's up, my lovely people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shatira. Today we're here to do another hair experiment, so let's go ahead and get into this video. I have previously done a video like this. I'll go ahead and link that card above if you want to check that out. So I really should have done this a long time ago after that video, because the hair that I used, the hair seemed to be like a synthetic blend. It did not do an even job. Some of the hairs were lighter than others, but it did seem to work. And I also will link the card above for you all to check out how I bleach hair evenly. So instead of using a wig like I did last time, I'm gonna go ahead and use this bundle of hair. I don't remember what kind of hair this is or what brand hair this came from. I will have to put it on the screen somewhere. So I'm going to use this bundle, completely new bundle. You see it's still raveled and it still has that little plastic attachment there. New, hasn't been washed or anything like that. It still has that factory smell. So I'm going to be using this today, and I'm actually going to show you two methods. I'm going to be using the baking soda with developer. So I'm going to use these two together and then this on its own. In the other video I did the baking soda with the developer and then the bleach powder with the developer as well. So other things you're going to be needing, I have two bowls here, utensils to be able to spray your product, foil over there somewhere, and gloves. And I have my wig block here. So first I'm just going to start by separating the hair and then pinning the hair on the wig block. Okay, so I'm going to pin the hair down on each side, and one will be our side for developer and one side would be for the baking soda and developer. Okay, we're going to start with one bowl. We have our baking soda here. I'm just going to mix the two together. So I think that's good right there. have our 4 here, tail piece off. Okay, we have the other side. And in this bowl, we're just gonna pour the straight up developer. And apply it to the hair. Same thing, cover this one up with foil. Okay, so I have my watch going for an hour and we're gonna check back in and see how they do. So it's been 1 hour and I accidentally left this piece out, so I can already see that is looking quite brown, so it definitely worked. And I have not touched this, so I'm excited to see. I believe this side is the baking soda and developer. Ooh, nice pretty brown there. Yeah, look at that. It's more light here, but see, compared to the other time, we definitely got a more even lightener here. This side is the baking soda and developer, and let's check out the other side. This side is just the developer by itself. Ooh, okay. So the developer by itself did not do anything to our hair. Okay. So y'all, I think, because I want to see how light this hair gets, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out, let the hair dry, or blow dry the hair rather I say, and then start again. Okay y'all, so this is the original hair. I actually do think the developer side got a little bit lighter. I was seeing it as I blow dried it, so I'll show you both. This is the developer side. It does look a little lighter. I don't know, y'all tell me. I think it does look a little lighter. A little bit compared to this. A little bit, like a little bit. It did get lighter. If you can see the difference. I can see the difference here. And I don't have my glasses on, but it did get lighter. And of course the baking soda and developer side got lighter. This is this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one more coat. The hair is still kind of wet at the top, but I'm still gonna do one more application and see how light we can get this hair. Another thing that I seen was to add apple cider vinegar with the developer, so I'm gonna try that this time to see if it gets a different effect. Just like we did last time, this is my developer bowl. I'm gonna pour a little bit of there. Apple cider vinegar. taking the same foil but using the other side. So baking soda. So this time I saturated the hair a lot more than last time, and I made sure to get both sides. But I'm actually glad to see that this worked. Alright y'all, gonna go ahead and start this for another hour, and we'll come back and see what we got then. It's been another hour, and let's see what we have. This is the developer side. And again, remember we tried this with some apple cider vinegar. I can see there's a little lightening, especially in this area. I see some really nice browns in there. Okay. And the moment of truth for our main girl. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, that is very wet. Okay, yeah, this got pretty light. I'm like impressed. I'm really impressed at how light this got. I'm like really impressed. But look, it seems like the hair is really damaged though, because look how it's just coming apart. So I don't know about that. Could be something else. I don't know. I'm gonna go wash them both. Yeah, I went to wash this hair and I didn't even put it. It's just falling off. Y'all, it's just, it worked. But look at it. Look how it's doing. Like I'm literally just running my fingers through it with no force at all. So it definitely works to lighten, but I don't know why it's doing all this. Like for real. So I'm gonna go get the other one, and then it could be because typically you wouldn't bleach hair right after one another. So it could be that just going through the process, but this hair is not doing any of that at all. There's just like your typical shedding. I mean, baby girl lost the whole track. So I think that's what no, because last time I did it one after the other and it didn't do that. But that was also on a wig, and that was also synthetic hair. Yeah, I have no idea, but I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry this hair. Yeah, this is all the hair of this right here. So I'm wondering if it was because of the two, even the hair just feels so brittle. Y'all listen at it, pull it from the root. Y'all hear that? It's just coming out by the strand. Oh my God. Yeah, ooh, that's crazy. I'm not sure exactly what happened. I'm just gonna throw that one in the trash. I actually like the color that this one came out. It still has that little brassy hint, but it still got the dark color going on. Yeah, this one is not acting up at all. So again, your typical shedding, few strands, not pulling at the root, still feels pretty good. Not sure exactly what caused this hair to do that. Yeah, I'm honestly not sure, because in my last video, again, I'm gonna link the card above, I did the application twice on the same side of hair. So I'm not sure what is different this time, but I mean, it worked. You see the color? The color came out really nice. This color came out really nice, and this was just a developer. And again, I actually like this brownish color better. So I'm not sure what exactly caused the hair to tear from the root like that. I'm really not sure what caused that. But this is exactly why I like to experiment on weave, because I'm not willing to put my hair through this process. I wonder what's causing that. Again, this hair is completely normal. Again, your typical shedding that you would get. Not anything extra at all. It still feels good. Even when I bleach hair, it doesn't do that. So I have no idea, y'all. That's so interesting. But if you want to know if it works, yes, it works. Yes, it works. Will it damage your hair? That is the question. Just with the developer strictly alone, felt really good both times. Even when I added the apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is supposed to be like a cleansing agent and also have other benefits for the hair. So I think that's why this one is okay. This one is very soft feeling to the touch. It feels really good. Yeah, and I like this color a lot better. But even with the first application of the baking soda and developer, the hair did not feel good. It was very coarse. Now you see that there are other ways to lighten your hair. Again, is it healthy for your hair is the thing. So, and y'all, I'm not a hairstylist by any means, but this is just something that I like to do. Again, I'm not willing to test my hair out on any of these. That's why we does it on weave. That's why we wear weave, because not my hair, baby, not my good wig. Not my good natural wig. Alright, y'all, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Of course, let me know what your thoughts are of why that hair shedded that way. And I will see you all in the next one. I'm out. Deuce, deuce.